Hi, Triple T's!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
We both like apple cider.
So in today's video, we're gonna be playing the mute blind deaf baking challenge. And my rule is blind.
I'm deaf.
I'm mute, but I'm also gonna have my hands tied to make it harder. Yeah.
Bye. So we'll be right back when we're in the kitchen. Okay, guys, we're gonna start baking the cake. Guys, I'm blind. I can't see anything. What are we doing? We need a bowl. We need a bowl. We need a bowl. We need a bowl. Like, we need a bowl. Where's the bowl? Sara, is there a bowl? Sara, is there a bowl?
Hey, what are you looking?
Oh! Guys, I can't see. Guys, what am I doing? Guys, I'm scared. Are you ready to record?
there, chocolate. Which can
Where's the trash can? Where's the trash can? Help me.
Guys! I forgot how I made the cake last time.
Where is the trash can?
Which can
Wait, open it. Oh, I step on it? I can't see.
Hey, que sueve rayo! Fuego!
Open it.
Hey, we need to start making the cake!
I can't see.
Oh, butter! Do we have...
Guys, I can't do anything.
Guys. Oh! You over? Do you hear my music? You don't hear it? Oh. Okay, wait, hold on. I want to do it. Wait, we need... Okay.
Guys, what is this?
Sara, what?
Oh my.
Oh my god, I think you just dropped more.
Is this an egg? It's an egg.
Tengo pecosos ojitos.
Here. Take that. Help me.
Where's your tape?
Help me. Where's the sink? Where's the sink? Can you turn on the water? Can you put soap in my hand? Can you put soap in my hand? Where's the soap? Where's the soap? How about you? Where's the soap? Can you put soap in my hand? Okay. What is that? Turn off the water. Turn off the water. Turn off the. Okay. I need to put this down my hand. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Man, it's either again. Oh my god, I knew it, guys. Like, I literally know.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Okay. There? Wait. What do I do? your hands were tied. That tickles. That tickles. Oh, I cracked the egg? Can I crack the egg? I can crack the egg? Where's it? Sara, where's the sink? I need soap. You put soap in my hand? Okay. Oh. Guys, what's on the floor? What's on the floor? What's on the floor? Oh, that's on the floor. Is Lulu okay? Is Lulu okay?
Look at what you did to the floor!
Me? Me? Me?
Oh, girl, you better sleep in those egg whites. Hey, hey, go, shut. Ooh. You want to get up? I'm telling you, you might have to shower again. Ooh. Does it taste good?
Can you put it in my mouth?
No,
Put it in my
okay.
mouth.
Does it taste good?
I can't taste anything. Put more.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, it tastes good.
That's my shirt.
It tastes good. What is that?
Okay, guys, let's keep mixing. We have to. Okay, I wonder if you guys can hear me because I cannot hear myself.
I can hear you. Yeah. I can hear you.
Oh, thank you, guys.
Guys, this is...
Okay, guys, this is the batter. And yeah, this is the batter. We have to stir for how many minutes? 2 to 20 seconds. Oh, my life. Oh, my life. Oh, my life. Wait, hold on. I want to...
The dog.
Yeah.
It's a rock. Lily, you're making the dog bark.
Oh, what happened?
Lily, you're making the dog bark.
Benji?
Yes, you're making them bark. You're making them... Oh.
Bailé con mi ex. Primera vez. Okay, let's go. Mom, I forgot how to do it. Do we use that and put butter on it? What happened? Wake up!
I can't do anything. Oh.
Ñañate.
Okay. Okay, where do I put it at? Where, do I open it? I open it. Where do I put it at? Oh, do I put it in here? Put soap in my hand. Please.
Mama and oh my gosh, guys! Why did y'all open the whole thing?
I'm sorry.
Are y'all going to apologize?
Yes, I'm sorry.
What happened?
I'm sorry.
I was trying to apologize. What happened? Oh, more? Okay. I guess. Okay. Is that good? Ah, ya, pero ya estoy. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you very much. That was really nice.
I'm irritated as fuck.
It's okay. Come on. No! Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, do this. Oh. It has to be more there. Like pieces that are Oh!
Where is it? Where is it? Okay.
We need more butter because then it will stick and then we won't be able to get it out of the pan and then basically it will get stuck and then we won't be able to.
So it's, did you put butter and then flour? Okay.
Mom. Hi. Baby caliente, wala na door.
Is it Sara?
Hey, Mom, is this good to put the cake? She must be lying.
Hmm? What am I doing? Oh, I poured it? Oh, okay, you poured it. There? Oh. Okay. There? Oh, okay. There? There? this? Is this Sara? Sara, what are you doing? Oh no, I got it on my hand. Are you pouring it?
Oh! Guys, where's the frosting?
We have to do it. We have to put the frosting in. Oh, this is Sara. That's Lulu.
Hello? It's okay. So first we have to pour this into here, and no, we have to put that on the cake first, and then we have to do this. Oh yeah. Yes? Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Guys, this eye mask is making me fall asleep.
Oh yeah. Mom.
Huh? What am I doing?
Yeah, but it's a good like how big it is.
Oh, I just touched something. What did I just touch? Is that butter? Yeah? What happened? Oh, yeah, okay. Guys, are y'all cooking the cake? Where's Sara? Sara, what am I doing? What? Over there?
He runs. Oh, yes. Good keeping an eye out. Because if we didn't use these. Guys, we have to clean.
I can't see.
Wait. Wait, yeah, no. Whoa, close one there, buddy. Let's just put 20. I don't know how much we actually have to put, but I gave a good estimate, and that's what a good cooker does.
Okay guys, we just got done cleaning and then they just put the cake in the oven and now we're waiting for it. And then we're gonna decorate the cake with nothing. We're all just gonna decorate it together.
Yes.
Yeah. And yeah, we'll be back when the cake's done. Yeah. Okay guys, we're back.
We're back.
Yeah,
the
we're
cake
gonna
has cooled down and baked. Now we're decorating.
Yeah, we're gonna make it chocolate or
One is gonna be chocolate and the other one's gonna be strawberry.
so we're gonna do this one chocolate.
Yeah.
But first we have to spread it. I'll never before you put it in here.
Do we? Because like to decorate, like I can see like the chocolate.
Let's decorate. I mean, let's put it on there first. Spread it on
We
there.
get a knife. Or do we use that? Is that a knife?
That's scissors.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Oh. So do I just
Yeah.
Your turn.
Okay. My turn.
It's very quiet, guys.
Yeah, it's like a little too quiet. Like,
Yeah.
oh no, don't scroll away. Don't go away. Like, you already subscribed. Why would you go away? And if you haven't, subscribe now.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Like, do it now.
Yeah, do it. Oh my.
Yeah, your
Like,
turn.
just put like a chunk of chocolate right there.
Garden pot is chill. Oh, I think I just made it worse.
Okay, we can fix it.
Benjamin. Oh my gosh, it's all coming off.
You don't want to meet Benjamin. Stop. Sit. Bella, I'm sorry I dropped you.
Oh, you did it.
You did it? Oh my gosh, Sara did it. Sara's such a pro and a hero.
I fixed it. I've
Good
saved
job,
so much
Sara.
people's lives. And phones.
Oh yeah.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
I did it.
Bella.
Y'all's turn. Your turn.
Benji.
My turn? I don't know whose turn it is. I think it's your turn, Lily.
To do what? It's done.
No, it's not.
Benji.
Let's put chocolate chips on. Should we? Yes. Oh yeah, since the strawberry one is gonna get sprinkles. Okay. Or should we put? Should we put sprinkles on both of them?
Yeah. You just kind of like go in there. You go in it. Oh.
I think that's good.
Should I sprinkle sprinkles? Can you get it? Because like I'm gonna sprinkle sprinkles.
I get it.
That's too much.
Benji! OMG, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's cute. Oh my
Well, guys, anything you have to do the sides?
Oh yeah, okay.
Wait, what do we need that for? To like make little like
Oh, I should put them
Cool.
on the side.
cool designs?
Yeah, on the side.
Girl, it's not
No,
like.
but like for this side.
Oh, Bella's licking you.
Bella?
Whoa, Bella.
Bella?
No, I don't get it. Come here, Benji. Come
You
on.
didn't pick me. You didn't pick me. And I picked you every time.
Benji picked me.
I picked Clark.
Okay, now we put it in here. Guys, someone help. Here.
We should do it up here.
You're getting close, Benji.
I can't see. Here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, squeeze it, squeeze it.
No, Benji.
It's working.
I'm doing it.
Wait, like. Okay. Hold on, see? Oh.
Oh my god.
Stop.
They're eating it.
Stop, stop. No, Bella, stop.
Wait.
Guys, we can fix this. We can fix this. No, Benji, stop.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay, we're cut.
My
Just
elbow
put that-
went there.
Put back. Okay, bang. Oh, they're gonna die.
His ear.
It's in his ear?
No, his ear's split. Do it, flip.
Can you unflip it? Come on, Bella. Come on. Bro, listen to me, please. Wait, come on. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, where's the
You think we
broom?
can save this? Should we? Should we save it?
Yeah, let's go. It's clean anyway, right?
Yeah, we literally just mop.
Yeah.
Come on, Ben, come here. Yeah. Come on,
What if we still gotta put the broom in it?
Come on. Anything out.
Oh my gosh.
Did you actually?
Oh my god.
Oh, guys. Oh, guys.
Oh my gosh.
I think this should be good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Mistakes happen, huh?
Yes. How's that?
You have to pull the. Guys, oh my god. No, this dog hair.
It's okay, guys.
It's okay.
Processed food is literally worse.
I know, I
There's
know it. Like, it's literally dogs, not dog hair. It could be worse. Like rats.
Oh, you're right. Oh my gosh, that's not the virus. Oh, okay.
I think we should fix this up, right?
Oh, I see the end.
You do where? Oh, on the wall, right?
Okay, maybe we should save it.
Okay, guys. It's ready.
Bro, all the things coming.
It's not even coming out.
Maybe make a bigger hole.
Yeah. Wait, let me try like.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cooked. Wait. It's coming, guys. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, make a bigger hole.
Okay, ready? It's come. Look, we're gonna do. Nice. We're gonna do.
Is it all coming out?
We're gonna do S plus A plus L.
Yeah, that's cute.
And then a heart, of course. Like E. Soda E. Soda E. Soda E.
It's okay.
This is so cute. It is, but you can't even see the letters. But we can see it in our hearts.
You're right.
Yeah, that's good. Because there's a freaking sprinkle or something. It's okay. It's okay. Just leave it. Just yeah. It's okay. Okay. Do you want me to get the pickup truck?
Yeah.
Why is this over?
Oh,
Okay.
oh my gosh. Oh, there's pink frosting on the countertop.
Oh no.
Oh, there's chocolate on the broom. Wait. Go.
What? food?
Bro.
I'm banned from your house.
Yeah. Y'all are banned. I'm banning you. Joke.
Wait, I need to
You know that? You know that? You know that?
Wait, I screwed it back in.
What did you do?
I screwed it back in. What did you do?
Oh my god. Joke.
There's no.
Bro, you the best, bro.
I just took it out.
Ew, delete that part.
Don't put that in the video.
He has to like think. Bro, you know when he says joke? You know that?
I'm joking.
Okay, you like pick it up.
Pick it up like that.
Just pick it up like that.
Like this.
This way and there.
Hungry.
Put it more like down, like
Like this?
yeah. Like press it down like that. You're the best, bro. You're the best, bro.
You're the best, bro.
You have shorts under here.
No, I don't. Stop it, please.
But we still have another cake to decorate.
I want to.
What are you doing?
I thought this was the cake.
For real? Wait, are you being serious? Are you being serious?
I promise. I do that when I'm not paying attention. I just put all of our frosting in there. Oh my god, I thought this was the cake.
Is it cool down?
What is this?
It got on me just now. It's not even coming out.
Bill's making music, bro.
You did it. Look me. Okay, yeah, this is not working. It's not working. No.
Oh my.
It's okay. It's beautiful.
Why is there only one chocolate on this cake?
The cherry on top.
The cherries. We have to pour the cherries.
Y'all like cherries? I like.
No, like you know, like that.
Like that
Cherry?
one. Like
Oh,
lipstick
yeah.
and something that I
Yeah. Like you always say in the comment section when something good happens, right?
yeah, like something like funny, like I guess.
Yeah, something.
It's not coming out. Oh, I know why it's not coming out. There's a sprinkle in the hole.
How are you gonna take that? Oh my gosh.
So what do I do?
Put it there.
All of it?
Yeah. I don't know.
Like on the
Okay,
sides.
just try to follow it.
That's getting in there. That's getting in there. That's getting
I'm talking about.
in there.
No, she put that. It was for the sides. You just put it on.
I'm rubbing it on the side.
No, that was supposed to be a decoration. You just messed up her artwork.
Darn it, man.
Guys, can we just hurry and do that?
Guys, it says no more here.
Guys, the pink one's gonna be way better. Wait.
Maybe I shouldn't touch that.
Yeah. Because you still need to go on the freaking right. We did it.
This looks good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of chocolate.
Oh, I think we need clean countertops, you know? Okay, the pink one cooled down.
It's been.
Okay.
Oh wait, do we need your mom?
Oh, yeah. Wait, we can't see this.
Okay, turn it on. Okay, keep this on.
Wait, what if I just do it? What if I just do it?
Do you know how to do it?
Wait, I spray?
And what? Spray?
Yeah, spray and what? Oh!
Can you pat it?
I'm sorry.
Give me it. Can you pat
Put
it?
your hand on the counter. Love it?
Pat it.
You got it in my mouth. Oh, no,
Oh, that one. That looks really good. Our cake looks bad. I might just eat your cake. Thanks.
Are you telling me things?
Now my arm smells like cleaner.
That's good, right?
I think so. I think it's good. Here, over here, over here. Why does she always have something to say? You're right. What do you have to say, bro? Okay, now you want to be quiet. Okay.
That's what I thought. Can you give me another napkin?
Actually, do it. No, use this. What? Use this, bro. Oh, could have been way.
Oh, no more?
No, you didn't need that. Okay, our cake looks gross.
It's okay, I'll still eat it.
But we gotta be positive. Yeah.
Our
Okay.
strawberry one's gonna look way better.
Okay, but it looks really good, like without the frosting.
Wait, which one? Wait, oh, what's here?
Do we need to flip it over?
Yeah, just put like another plate on.
We need another place.
Or just turn it. Turn it over.
It go rip. Yeah.
Get another. Oh no, I think you put it on top.
Yeah, you put it on top.
Yeah, your cake is way better.
Actually,
Okay, now.
Ours is gorgeous too.
all of them are gorgeous.
There you go. Right, we need another knife.
Last
Okay, that looks really good. Last knife. You can just open it. Do we have to be careful now?
Yeah, we have to be really.
Y'all weren't careful. On
This one
that
has to be beautiful.
Because we learned our mistake from that one.
That looks so. Oh my god.
We should have done the strawberry one, right? Right? Right?
Yeah.
Right?
No, because then our strawberry one would have looked bad.
Oh, yeah.
You're right.
We got positive dots, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, y'all's turn.
Okay.
Ben's just asleep.
They go right here. There's like a hole.
Where? Right here?
Like where there's like a hole.
It's slippery.
Oh, was it not funny? Bro, guys, how long have you been freaking recording?
20 minutes.
Actually?
Yeah.
But I feel like it's been like an hour.
We're so
Oh yeah, it's your turn.
we're like actually so quiet. Are they bored? I'm sorry guys, if y'all are bored.
We don't know what to say.
Yeah,
We'll speed this part up.
Yeah.
Well, it's okay. Ours is better because it has our initials. I think they're
Okay,
gone.
guys, this is our second cake.
Where are they? It's,
You can't see that. Well, this is the second cake.
oh, my L is ruined.
So this is our second cake.
Our second cake's beautiful.
Yeah, it's like really beautiful. You want to see the first one?
This is the first one. This is the second
Okay, what
one.
now? Did we eat now?
Yes.
Oh, we can try now? Okay, ready? Okay.
But
Let's try the strawberry one first.
Okay, guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
It fell.
That's good. Mm-hmm.
Am I still on the liquid? Let's check. 4 hours. Yes. Active now.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh shit! I just left. Oh.
What the heck?
Hmm. No, guys, we gotta try chocolate. Okay, guys, you ready?
Yes.
Wait.
Wait.
Wait. Yeah, she's do this. Wait. This was looking good. I like it.
What the heck?
Oh, that looks so gross on camera.
Oh, it does.
But I look at like this one. Did you try chocolate?
Mm-mm.
Okay, are you ready?
This.
3, 2, 1.
I think it's kind of normal.
can see. Okay, guys, my stomach kind of hurts now.
Yeah, me too. If my stomach hurts, then.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here because the video is already almost an hour long, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here because the video is already almost an hour long, and yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.